There's a lot of noise in the menopause space right now, and we're getting bombarded with products and services and magic pills that will cure symptoms related to menopause. But the truth is, we all know there is no magic pill. When I do product reviews on She 2.0, which you'll see on the website and social media, they are fair assessments of what I thought of the product. I do give it a try and I like to report honestly about it. And if I don't report on it, it doesn't make it to the site. It's because I didn't think it was something that was truly effective for women like us. So I do provide brands with that feedback because I do believe that knowing what works and what doesn't is invaluable in product development and in marketing or whatever the issue is, because I want them to create products that work for us. I don't regularly report on moisturizers because it takes a long time to fairly assess a moisturizer. I used to write beauty for a magazine and I got a lot of products sent to me. And the problem is it takes about 3 months to see if a moisturizer is really working for you, but that's just on the outside. You've got to be doing all the stuff on the inside too, eating well, getting rest, exercising, really reducing stress. Those all have an impact on what your skin does. So you will see reviews like that, just not as frequently. And on that note, I have launched crash test series for She 2.0, and the first set of videos coming out is the Crash Test Fitness series. This is where I've dragged along my gal pal, Susie, who's a firefighter and runs a boot camp called FatFit in Burlington. Susie and I are trying anything and everything that the fitness industry is throwing at us, and we're going to report back to you as our consumer report on whether these workouts are beneficial, who should do them, who might want to consider variations of them, and maybe who should avoid them. But either way, we're giving you our honest opinion and feedback. So stay tuned and follow us on YouTube for all of those reviews.